All oven functions and microwave power levels are controlled using the left control knobs. Convection temperatures and broil temperatures are adjusted using the right control knob. The right control knob is also used to set the timer in microwave mode and combination convection and microwave mode and the combination broil and microwave mode. While the touch-sensitive areas of the control panel provide access to additional operations, such as automatic programs and personal recipes. Microwave cooking. Understanding the tools you are cooking with is the first step to success with any appliance, especially an appliance that is designed with tools to ensure success. When the power level most suited to the food being cooked is selected, the results will astound you and actually change your perception of microwave cooking. Thinking of power levels in terms of oven temperatures is a helpful guide. For example, if you baked cookies at too high a temperature in your oven, well, the results would be awful. And the same goes for microwaves when the wrong power level is used. We all know what reheating foods at a high power microwave can taste like. Exactly. The Gaggenau Combi-microwave has 5 levels of microwave power. 1000 watts for heating liquids, 600 watts for heating and cooking foods, 360 watts for cooking meats and delicate foods, 180 watts for defrosting and continued cooking, 90 watts also for defrosting and recommended for melting butter and chocolate. Cooking, heating, and defrosting with customized power levels is a unique feature of the Combi-microwave and will surprise users with the even results. Unlike a traditional microwave that cycles the maximum power on and off to achieve a lower output, the Combi-microwave only emits the power level chosen. The result is even cooking, heating, and defrosting, and no food explosions due to excessive heat. The oven is equipped with a glass tray for use with all oven modes and can also be used to cook an entire meal, and you can place it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. A glass rod is also supplied to use when heating tall beverages to avoid delay boiling. When using the microwave-only function, place vessels on the glass tray or on the oven floor and always use microwave-compatible cookware. You may be surprised at the results you can achieve using this microwave. Convection cooking. With a temperature range of 100 to 480 degrees, this oven can be used for baking cookies and cakes, roasting meats, fish, and vegetables. The wire oven rack can be used when cooking in the convection mode, and foods can also be cooked on multiple levels using the wire rack and the glass tray. The dishwasher-safe glass tray can also be used to cook an entire meal. Don't let the small size deter you. The convection fan is key here, as it ensures even heating throughout the cavity for larger items and multiple items. Combination cooking, convection plus microwave. Cooking with a combination of convection and microwaves is perhaps the least understood culinary technology, yet the simple explanation is that it is an efficient way to reduce the cooking time of foods while ensuring the superior results of convection cooking. Convection is the primary heat source, cooking food from the outside in, while the addition of moderate microwave power cooks food from the inside out, accelerating the process. The result? Roast chicken in 30 minutes, casseroles in 20 minutes, and simple fresh dinners from oven to table in record time without sacrificing results. Moderate heat with the addition of 360 watts of microwave power is all it takes. To adjust the level of microwave power, turn the left knob counterclockwise. This may be a novel approach to cooking, but with some practice, this new method of cooking may become your go-to for quick oven meals, healthy or otherwise.